We've got a great parts department. Our team does a fabulous job. We really do forecast demand planning to try to have these parts in stock. But water valves, drain valves, belts, igniters, lint screens, hoses are by far the most common parts that we have. We use an AI that actually helps us with demand forecasts and planning, and try to keep those parts around as much as possible so that when the customer calls, we have them and don't have to order them from the manufacturer. Doesn't happen every time by any stretch, but we're getting better and better at it every day. One of the challenges that we're finding is that machines that are getting 10 plus years old, that a lot of the components are computer boards, and that technology has changed and continued to change so fast that those sub-supplier parts or manufacturers are discontinuing those components. And so then we get to, end of life on these, where you go back 30 years ago, we supported equipment that was 30, 40, 50 years old. It was all mechanical, it was easy. Well, that's not the case anymore. It is a challenge in all manufacturers to be able to supply parts for 20-year-old type machines.